Come test drive the 2020 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.